My name is Jeff Rojas, and I'm a commercial and editorial photographer based out of New York City. As the creative world evolves and clients' needs change, we're seeing more and more of a bridge between photography and cinematography. A new world that provides content creators with unlimited opportunity and infinite possibility to acquire new clients and new business. Today I'm going to share my process of creating behind-the-scenes video content that's helped me market my photography business and reach thousands of potential clients faster than ever before. If you haven't started to do so already, I cannot encourage you enough to start creating your own behind-the-scenes videos. And I'm not just talking about tutorial videos. I literally mean I want you to share the experience of what it's like working with you. Why should clients hire you? What makes working with you better than working with your competitors? If you can capture that story in a memorable, impactful way, you'll have everything that you need in order to grow both your business and your brand. So let's jump into it. Step 1, have a plan. Before filming any type of work, have a plan of what you're going to film. Whether my team is filming a commercial, a tutorial video, or filming behind-the-scenes video content, I first aggregate all of my ideas into a script, mood board, or list of ideas to set the tone for what the content is that we're producing. Now try not to overcomplicate it. Keep it simple. What are you trying to communicate? What should the audience get out of watching that specific video content? As an example, recently, my small team filmed 2 tutorial videos in Iceland for a lighting modifier manufacturer. And the goal was simple: teach people how to use their product in a real-world situation in 2 to 3 minutes. That single statement guided the whole tone of the shoot, the length of the script, and the final output of the content that we produced. Step 2, decide what tools that you need in order to get the job done, and don't go overboard. I'm a huge proponent of investing in the tools that you need in order to get the job done with the least amount of fuss. As an example, in order to create those videos that we created in Iceland, we used a Canon C300 Mark II to film everything. The C300 Mark II is a powerful platform that's easy to use and truly a game changer for creating video content. I have the flexibility of filming from 4K video to 2K video with 15 stops of dynamic range. Having that level of detail and retaining that much information immerses you into the video content. It's almost like an escape. You're not just there watching on a computer screen or mobile device. It feels like you're in Iceland with us. We brought a total of 3 lenses with us in order to minimize the amount of gear we carried. That included an 18-80 servo lens, a 70-200 servo lens, and a 35mm 1.2 cine lens. Which brings me to step 3. Focus on including shots that support your narrative. Having focal lengths between 18mm and 200mm is ensuring that we have every lens possible to capture the environment or any wildlife we encountered in our adventures. When I produce behind-the-scenes videos, I always include the scene. Where are you? Why are you there? What gear do I have? How does the subject feel? I use my lenses to convey the message of using a variety of different focal lengths in order to employ them the same way that I would as a photographer. Those 3 steps are what guide me when I'm producing behind-the-scenes video content. All in all, keep it simple, share your story, and invest in the tools that you need to get the job done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have an amazing day. Take care.